Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Sobrang madaming good news ang dumadating ngayon sa DepEd, kaya marami po tayong i-upload. Ito na nga po, isa pang good news, pero hindi po ito sa mga teachers kasi tapos na po kayo mga teachers. Para naman po ito sa mga non-teaching personnel. Sabi pa nila nung i-announce yung wellness break sa teachers, yung teachers daw ay may wellness break, pero yung non-teaching personnel ay mental breakdown na lang daw. Joke lang po yun. Eto, naglabas na po ang ating secretary, si Secretary Sani Angara. No? Ang subject nito ay Adoption of Work from Home Arrangement for Non-Teaching Personnel during the mid-year break or wellness break. O ayan, yung mga non-teaching personnel dyan, hindi na kayo mapapasa na all nito. Meron kayong home arrangement na ito po ay during the scheduled wellness, mid-year wellness break sa October 27 to 30 in recognition of the need to promote employee well-being while ensuring the continuity of government services. The department authorizes the adoption of work from home or WFH arrangement for non-teaching personnel during the said period. Kaya yung mga non-teaching personnel may be allowed to render services through the work from home arrangement for a maximum of 2 days within the period of October 27 to 30, 2025, inclusive of the availment of the combination flexible work arrangement, subject to the approval and discretion of the head of office, consistent with the provisions of DepEd Order Number 4 Series of 2025. The head of office are directed to ensure continuity in the delivery of services by maintaining a skeleton workforce on site throughout the duration of the mid-year wellness break to attend the urgent and essential transactions. So, hindi po sila magsasabay-sabay na mag-work from home, So, ito yung implementing the arrangements, the head of functional offices shall 1. Prepare and approve a work arrangement plan indicating the schedule of personnel authorized to work from home and those required to report on site. Number 2, ensure that all personnel under flexible work arrangement remain reachable during official working hours and are able to deliver assigned outputs and services in accordance with the office performance standards. And number 3, monitor and record attendance and performance in accordance with existing policies and reporting mechanism prescribed under DepEd Order Number 4 Series of 2025. Employees authorized to work from home shall indicate their availment of the WFH arrangement in their daily time record and attach their individual daily logs and accomplishment reports duly approved by their respective head of office. So, good news po ito para sa ating mga non-teaching personnel, Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.